5 things to know before signing a contract as a remote worker. After the unexpected compulsory vacations we had due to COVID, people started working remotely for some time, and they got used to it. And companies saw the goodness in the situation and started using this opportunity for the better or for the worse. You may decide for yourself. These are the 5 things you need to consider before signing your contract as a remote worker. Number 1. FLSA Violations, or Fair Labor Standards Act. One of the most obvious issues with remote employees is that it's hard to know how many hours they're actually working out of the office. Maybe they're even working harder. This may lead the employer to make the employee work abusively. Therefore, telecommuting contracts must specify the exact working hours of employees. Physical absence is no reason to do more work. Number 2, being present at the office, not only on a daily basis, of course. It is necessary to determine the exact days and hours precisely that the employee needs to be physically present at the workplace. The existence of an employment contract may create the expectation for the employer that the employee is obliged to be present in person at any time ordered by the employer. In this case, determining the exact day and time of attendance can set boundaries, which are definitely needed here. Number 3, insurance and bonuses. Since remote working is an almost new phenomenon in today's world, due to changes that appeared because of COVID, it may be assumed that things like insurance and bonuses are not needed. But this is not true. In addition to the insurance, bonuses and salaries are required for overtime work, and this is where the importance of accurately determining working hours in the contract can be realized. In simple words, this is how you can prove to your employer that you're working hard. Number 4, vacation. Working at home and away from the office may cause the suspicion that the employee does not need a weekend and can easily work in weekends. Depending on the type of work, it should be noted that telecommuters, like other employees, need weekends and other vacations, and this should be taken into account in the contract. If you overwork, you can't work perfectly. So, even for your job's sake, get some time off. Number 5, termination of contract. In a telecommuting contract, can the employer fire the employee for any reason? This is very important, and it depends on the type of description of the employee's duties and obligations in the contract. These must be specified in the contract. Not mentioning it makes it possible for the employer to fire the employee except in cases of adjustment and special legal cases. Our mission is to make it easy for you, legally.